Hey guys, welcome back to the SRK Photoworks YouTube channel. I'm back with new AI photo edit tutorial. This AI generates your AI cartoon avatar in just one click. And the photo is generated is 100% match with your face. It looks so realistic. You can see before one and the after one. It looks amazing. At the end of the tutorial, I have shared all the problems. Just follow all the steps with me and watch the video till the end. Let's start. First, we are going to download one app. For that, just turn on the mobile data, go to the Play Store, click on search bar and type PHOTOLAB, photolab. There are so many fake apps with the same name. So download app carefully. I have given app download link in description. You can download it from there. After installing the app, just click on open. This AI app is totally free. Now just give the permission, click on allow. Now you will see this interface. Just click on trending. Now selecting right effect, selecting right filter is very important. Otherwise you will not get realistic results, best results. Scroll down until you get this effect. Now click on that effect. Now slightly scroll up and select your picture you want to add AI cartoon avatar. I suggest select close-up pic. After selecting your picture, it will show you short ad. Just wait for a few seconds. Then close arrow will appear. Now just click on that close arrow. Now you will see this interface. Now you have to select are you male or female, hair color and the type of hairstyle. And click on proceed. And AI started working on your picture. It takes few seconds. Till then, if you haven't liked this tutorial, if you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel, please do it guys. Don't panic guys. As I said earlier, it's totally free app. Just wait for a few seconds, then close arrow will appear. Now just click on close arrow. Simple. And to download all the pictures at one time, just click on download whole pack. Again, don't panic. Just wait for a few seconds. Close arrow will come. Now just click on close arrow and photos saved to gallery.